doorbell and Wi-Fi doorbell installation instruction. Now here we go. Here's the package. We see the accessories, warranty card, user guide, and the Wi-Fi doorbell. That's the installation brace kit. And we can see the port. This is the indoor AF bell, and we support the US type, Europe type, and the UK type, and also Australia type. You see the screws, and here is the reset pin for reset the doorbell. AC connection cable, RJ45 connector to connect. If you don't want to use the wireless, you can use the RJ45 connector to connect with the LAN cable. And power adapter, relay connector. Use this relay connector. You can use our Wi-Fi doorbell to connect with the electronic lock to unlock the door. And here is the installation brace kit. Like this installation, and screw it on the wall. Okay, now we set up the, here is the screwdriver. Okay, now we set up the Wi-Fi doorbell and connect it with the power. First, we check the indoor AF bell. We pair both in our factory, so you can directly press the doorbell button and see if the AF bell will ring. So here it works. Very good. Okay, we keep this, and now we will wait the doorbell power up, and using the smartphone to set up the Wi-Fi connection. Here we just wait the doorbell power up. You can hear the "Welcome to Smart Home" voice control mode, and you can see the blue light flashing. So it's the SmartLink network configuration mode. So we run the Wi-Fi doorbell HD app, and then add device SmartLink, because this is the new device. So the first time we choose SmartLink. You can see, because my smartphone already connected to the Wi-Fi, so it will require you to input the password of this access ID. So we key in the password link. This is our office wireless, and this is the password. And we stop and just wait the doorbell connect to the Wi-Fi.
Successful.
Okay, you can hear the successful voice mode, means the doorbell already connected to the wireless signal successfully. Okay, it will promote some ID. So we can check the stickers back of the doorbell. We can see the ID is 1V98 and so on. So we click this ID, so you can see it's online. So now we check. If you press the doorbell button, you will make a call to the smartphone. Sorry. And you can answer it. You can see the video and you can talk. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, sir.
Okay, now we try again. Perfect. What perfect? Okay, now we have to set up the device term. Go to the setting menu and go to the device term setting. Choose the NTV calibration. So this is our device term zone, China, Beijing. So we will done. Okay, setting successfully. Okay, so if you close the app, yeah. Oh, sorry, I forget one thing. To get the push notification, in addition the push time setting, device time setting, you have to do the push setting also. Please enable the push server and push both server V. Please enable both options. Now, okay. Now if we exit the app and turn off the phone like this, when I press doorbell button, you can receive the push notification. Okay, now let's try again.